Welcome friends. This video is an attempt to explain IDS. An intrusion detection system is a system that monitors network traffic for suspicious activity and issues alerts when such activity is discovered. It is a software application that scans a network or a system for harmful activity or policy breaches. IDS automates the inspection of logs and real-time system events to detect intrusion attempts and system failures. Most firewalls offer extensive logging, auditing, and monitoring capabilities, as well as alarms and basic intrusion detection system functions. A primary goal of IDS is to provide a means for a timely and accurate response to intrusions. In some cases, IDS can divert an attacker to a simulated environment with fake data intended to keep the attacker's interest. A pseudo flaw used by many honeypots and honeynets is a false vulnerability intentionally implanted in a system for attackers. Honeypots are individual computers created as a trap for intruders. A honeynet is two or more networked honeypots used together to simulate a network. They look and act like legitimate systems, but they do not host data of any real value for an attacker. They may be unpatched or have security vulnerabilities that administrators purposefully leave open. The goal is to grab the attention of intruders and keep the intruders away from the legitimate network that is hosting valuable resources. Further, the honeypot gives administrators an opportunity to observe an attacker's activity without compromising the live environment. Intrusion detection systems are an effective method of detecting many DOS and DDoS attacks. They can recognize attacks that come from external connections, such as an attack from the internet, and attack that is spread internally, such as a malicious worm. Once they detect a suspicious event, they respond by sending alert or raising alarms. In some cases, they can modify the environment to stop an attack. An intrusion detection system cannot usually detect man-in-the-middle or hijack attacks, but it can detect abnormal activities occurring over communication links and raise alarms on suspicious activity. An intrusion detection system can monitor logs and easily identify attacks and notify administrators. There are two implementations for IDS. These are HIDS and NIDS. HIDS, which is also known as Host Intrusion Detection Systems, runs on independent hosts or devices on the network. HIDS monitors the incoming and outgoing packets from the device only and will alert the administrator if suspicious or malicious activity is detected. Network intrusion detection systems are set up at planned points within the network to examine traffic from all devices on the network. It performs an observation of passing traffic on the entire subnet and matches the traffic that is passed on the subnet to the collection of known attacks. NIDS is deployed to watch for abnormal DNS traffic. Further, IDS can be knowledge-based or behavior-based. A knowledge-based IDS uses a database of known attack methods to detect attacks. A behavior-based IDS can be labeled as an expert system or a pseudo artificial intelligence system because it can learn and make assumptions about events. In other words, the behavior-based IDS can act like a human expert by evaluating current events against known events. Both host-based and network-based systems can be either knowledge-based, behavior-based, or a combination of both. Now, let us talk about IDS response. Passive response notifications can be sent to administrators via email, text, or pager messages or pop-up messages. In some cases, the alerts can generate a report detailing the activity leading to the event, and logs are available for administrators to get more information if needed. Active responses can modify the environment using several different methods. Typical responses include modifying access control lists to block traffic based on ports, protocols, and source addresses, and even disabling all communications over specific cable segments. For example, if the IDS detects a ping flood attack from multiple IP addresses, it can change the ACL to block all ICMP traffic. Intrusion prevention system includes all the capabilities of an IDS but can also take additional steps to stop or prevent intrusions. If desired, administrators can disable these extra features of an IPS, essentially causing it to function as an IDS. Please put your views into comments. Monitor the breath. Be safe. Thank you.